mariners, currently we are open for Egyptian ship officer and second engineer to join our LPG, LNG ships. This is for Belgian and Marshall Island flag, and the rotation will be 6 months a half on and 6 months a half off. The onboarding date, it will be starting with this middle of July until end of October. So if you are available for end October or around that, from mid July to October, we are open. We are open, always open. So you can just send your CV. And the requirement is you need to have minimum 6 months experiences with in the same type and the same rank. So that is LPG and LNG. And if you have more experiences, you will get more salaries. The salary starting with 6,000 US dollar up to 12,200 US dollar. So if you are interested for these vacancies, please just send your CV and your completed document to us by email, or you can put it directly to our link database. We will provide you in this video description. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend. Bye bye.